How to change PIN code in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to change PIN code in Messenger. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Facebook Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your particular account and come to the home screen once you are logged in. Tap on three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and select your icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, locate Privacy and Safety and tap on it. Scroll down. Select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap Message Storage option. Scroll down and select Reset PIN. Here you can easily create your PIN, and again by adding the 6-digit PIN you need to confirm your PIN code and you can successfully change PIN code in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.